Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare restaurant style appam, for which I have soaked long grain rice, that is raw rice or pacharisi, about 2 cups of it in 4 cups of water for approximately 2 to 3 hours and keep it aside. First, in a mixer jar or blender, I am going to grind about 2 big pieces of coconut, or if you are using grated coconut, you will have to use about half a cup of grated coconut, and I'm going to crush it well first and then add the soaked and drained rice, that is the raw rice. If you are not able to crush the coconut in a large blender, you can crush it in a small blender and then add it with the rice, or add grated coconut directly. And also I'm going to add about 1 small banana or half a banana and about 3/4 to 1 cup of water along with 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm going to grind it well into a smooth paste like this and transfer it into a large bowl. So to this I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups to 1 1/2 cups of idli batter or dosa batter, the left out batter you have at home. The recipe for idli dosa batter you can find in Akshu's Kitchen channel on YouTube. And now I'm going to mix it well along with the rice coconut mixture. So the ingredients are just raw rice, coconut, banana, salt and leftover idli dosa batter. Use the same cup you used to measure the raw rice to measure the batter as well. So now allow this to ferment overnight. If you are in a warmer place, it will ferment overnight. If you prepare this mixture in the evening, it will be ready for the next day morning. If you are in a colder place, it will take at least 1.5 to 2 days. So usually it will take the same time as it takes for your idli dosa batter wherever you are. So after it has fermented, you can see it has raised up well, and now appam batter is ready. Mix it well and also need a little bit of water if required to get the correct consistency. It should be almost the same consistency of dosa batter or even little bit dilute than that. So now I have the appam kadai hot and ready. Use 1 ladle of batter and pour it from the edges like that, and you can fill the gap with more batter, or you can just swirl around your pan like that and fill the gaps and close it with the lid and cook in medium flame for about 1 to 1.5 minutes maximum, because raw rice will get cooked easily. And hotel style appam is ready. You can see it has got the perfect shape as you get in the hotels. Serve it with chicken curry or mutton curry or even vegetable korma, and it is really divine. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.